Come, all you moonshiners, if you want to hear.
Welcome back to Barley and Hops. I'm George. Today is the day. Yes, as promised, the reveal. We did receive it, and I wanted to make sure I shared this with each and every one of you because it was you that made this possible. The 100,000 subscriber silver level play button award from YouTube. So again, thank you so very much. Could not have made this without all of you who are dedicated to the channel and share us with your friends. What more can I say but thank you. Now, for the rest of the day today, we're so excited. For the rest of the day today, we've got a couple of videos planned for you, so please stay tuned. We're going to make an apple pie moonshine. Yes, we've got all the ingredients. We're going to do it right here, so you can follow along. We're also going to, I've got some fresh corn. I've got my grinder out. I got a 50-pound bag of 2-row. What do you think? Sounds to me like we're going to make a corn-based mash. Yes, we're going to do that. And as well, we're going to use the whiteboard later on, and we're going to go through some THUMPR theory, for lack of better words, and try to describe what are some of the challenges that are introduced into a system when you add a THUMPR, and how do we overcome them. Oh, please stay tuned, share us with your friends, and again, I can't thank you enough for all you've done for our community, this channel, and for this. Happy distilling.